every day you close your eyes after intuition process, and whatever comes to you as a thought or a flash or as an image, it is coming to you of certain languages. Is that right?
Yeah.
I see that maybe the Vedas were downloaded probably like this,
Obviously.
and they heard something, and then they saw some images and they made the entire script.
That's true, yeah.
So you mean to say that you see it in your mind? Where does it come?
So after my meditation, once I close my eyes, I just go into that zone, and there are some flash and words that keeps on flowing, and whatever comes up, I don't know, there is something that my hand starts automatically writing that same script, whatever is flashing. Like sometimes on a stone something is written, something somewhere in a wall, something in red.
Those images.
Even the colors, whatever is written, for example this one, it's written in something black, so I'll pick up that pen and will start writing. The same is with other things as well.
I see that it's not scribbles, it's absolutely perfect, unfathomable to figure out how somebody can do this. I mean, it'll be amazing for me to just close my eyes and just go swirling around like that.
The flash that comes up, it's very clear, and whatever comes up, so I just start writing. It just flows.
So let's show the viewers what you have written. Wow, that's traditional Korean writing, and then something that cannot be deciphered, and Siddham script.
This is the again Buddhist traditions in Mahayana and Vajrayana Buddhism associated with the Buddha Varyuchaka, that's seen, and this part talks about the embodiment of ultimate reality and enlightenment.
Embodiment of ultimate reality and enlightenment, guys. I would just do the Art of Living intuition process, close my eyes, take a few deep breaths, and get these same secret scripts.
That's true.